Every day we continue to conquer the earth underneath, exploring the black gold resources for the country. We are PV Drilling. The story of PV Drilling began with a strategic vision of being an internationally reliable and reputable drilling contractor and drilling-related services provider in the oil and gas industry, with a challenging mission to provide safe and effective drilling and drilling-related services and to create values added for clients by delivering high-quality services at competitive prices. To realize this vision and mission, we have never ceased to exert our best to blaze trails and to become the pioneer in Vietnam's oil and gas drilling industry. Pioneer in providing drilling rigs in Vietnam. We have dominated the sea by providing modern drilling rigs with the best crews of specialists and technicians, along with the application of the most advanced management systems in the world. And we don't stop there yet. We keep pacing further and deeper into the sea through building the first and the biggest deep water drilling rig in the region. The birth of this rig will pave the way for the development of deep water drilling technology in Vietnam. Pioneering in expanding drilling and drilling-related services to international market, PV Drilling has successfully expanded and operated an onshore drilling rig in Algeria's Sahara Desert since 2007-2008 and continue to participate in overseas projects in Venezuela and other countries. Pioneer in providing oil and gas drilling technical services, not only operating efficiently drilling rigs, but we also invest and broaden our services by providing highly technical services for the oil and gas industry, such as mud logging, wireline logging, well testing, and providing geologist consulting. We have successfully deployed the comprehensive package of tubulars running services, which is performed entirely by a Vietnamese specialist team. Building on a solid base, PV Drilling has initiated a brand new services such as solid control, managed pressure drilling. The services in from PV Drilling's core competence also include provision of specialized equipment with high-tech features such as steam boiler, air compressor, and mud cooler. Pioneer in manpower supply and oil spill response services. PV Drilling is leading the service sectors of supplying manpower for drilling services. Our team currently works very effectively on drilling rigs in Vietnam as well as around the region. Nothing can highlight the innovation and learning feature of PV Drilling better than the oil spill response service, which has become the new national linkage level of Vietnam through participating in oil spill response projects in the Gulf of Thailand, which further enhance the competency of PV Drilling. Pioneer in mechanical services development. One of the strategic missions of PV Drilling is to develop for the mechanical segment. Since its establishment, PV Drilling has developed mechanical services to take the initiative in fabrication and provided equipment for the oil and gas industry of Vietnam and other industries. Specifically, the importance of services in design and manufacturing equipment has become self-evident as the market penetration increases. The casing service takes up to 70% market share in Vietnam, including fabrication and welding, tubular supply, maintenance, etc. Besides, we also provide wellhead and mudline services to meet the demand for wellhead equipment rental of domestic and foreign oil and gas companies. Pioneer in manpower training for oil and gas industry. Understanding the importance of manpower, we have pioneered in providing training in HSE, technical and marine services for the oil and gas industry as well as other industries through successful cooperation with foreign partners from New Zealand, United Kingdom, Australia and Thailand. Pioneer in forming partnership with world's leading corporations for development of high-tech services. We also form joint ventures with multinational oil companies to expand the scope of services and enhance our specialization. Specifically, the joint venture BJ-PVD specializes in cementing, reservoir stimulation and well intervention. PVD-PPI joint venture provides well testing and equipment rental for early production. Another partnership with Marubeni Itochu Tubulars from Japan, PVD Tubulars Management, providing services such as production of tubulars and crossovers used in the oil and gas industry. And the latest joint venture is PVD Baker Hughes America, specializes in providing state-of-the-art technical services. Along with constructing a strong strategic network with partners, PV Drilling also built up a firm bond with both domestic and foreign investors and clients. The support and trust of those investors and clients are the utmost important asset for PV Drilling to excel. As of 2011, PV Drilling's total asset value amounts to 17,000 billion Vietnam dong, equivalent to $829 million US. For us, these above achievements are just the beginning, but they formed a strong foundation, a launching pad for PV Drilling to go further, stretch out to the vast sea, and assert its position in oil and gas drilling and drilling-related services in Vietnam, in the region and in the world. PV Drilling, pioneer of Vietnam drillers.